61A, lecture number 15. Announcements. The CATS project is due tomorrow, but please try to finish it today to earn an early submission extra credit point. Some tips for implementing each function are posted to Piazza, so if you're stuck, I recommend checking out those Piazza posts first. They're meant to be helpful. Homework 4 is due next Thursday. It's long, so it's worth 4 points. And Hog composition revisions are due next Thursday as well. What are those? Well, you finished your Hog project long ago, but now we've given you feedback about your composition, which is whether another human can read your program and understand what it's doing. Unless you did really well on composition, which is unusual at this point in the course, you've probably lost some points. But you can get those points back by revising your Hog project and improving the composition. You don't have to make everything perfect, you just have to address the comments that were given in the composition feedback. Once you address those comments, make sure your program still works correctly, and then write Python 3 OK --revise. Don't --submit, you already did that. Instead, --revise to let us know that this is a revision that you'd like us to score so that you can get whatever composition points back that you lost. You cannot get back points for correctness. That part of the project was due long ago. This is just a chance to revise your composition. That is, the way you use names, how you express yourself in code, and how you organize those expressions. Good luck.